The Nike Air Max 95 continues to be a major focus for Nike heading into 2026, even without a milestone anniversary. Over the next year, fans can expect several exciting releases, including the return of classic colorways like Comet and Greedy, along with new collaborative projects from Atmos, one of the most respected names in Air Max history. Alongside these highlights, general release pairs will play a big role in keeping the Air Max 95 in the spotlight. One standout is the upcoming Saffron Quartz colorway, set for spring 2026. While nothing replaces the iconic gray gradient made famous by the neon pair, Nike's modern updates have proven to be strong alternatives. This version mixes clean white suede with bold black details, finished with vibrant yellow accents across the upper and air unit. The Nike Air Max 95 Saffron Quartz is expected to release between January and March 2026, priced at $190.